Hey everybody, it's Captain Candy Corner today, and I'm going to be playing and reviewing this playset with you guys today, and let's get started. So when I first got it, I opened this up, and I got this. This is a mystery dish recipe. When you open it up, it shows all the Shopkins you could get, and you have to scan them all. And you will reveal the mystery dish out of all of them. Just super duper cool. So yeah. Okay. And these are the two exclusive Shopkins I got. And these are the exclusive. And they are even frozen Shopkins. I really love them. They're super duper cute. So, yeah. Let's just put them up here. And when we come inside, there is ice cubes. And these are all super duper cute ice cubes. I really love them all. So, yeah. Now we have to fill them up. And I think I could put Melissa milk inside of it. Okay, let me just put milk in there. I could put soda pop in there. And I could put how about some cheeky cherries? Yum, cherries. Okay. And next we have this drawer, and how about I put all of my cookies in there. This is the purple and blue color cookie. Put it in there. My golden cookie. Put it in there. The second golden cookie I have. The special edition, limited edition cookie. How about let's put that in there. And the last cookie. Which is the orange-red cookie. Let's close it up. And next we should put, we could put the purple peachy inside of there. We could put the orange and yellow peachy in there. And we could put a peach apricot in there. And it will be like a little party in there. And next up, we have this little drawer. And how about we put the Brittany brownie in there? We could put the other color of Brittany brownie in there. We could put toasty bread and mousse shake. We could put sprinkly cake and minty. And you can even put Linda Lime and cup of cocoa in there. How about that? And that is all I have for you guys today. I really hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to Captain Candy Corner. And have a great day. Bye!